I'm Shreya. I'm the founder of Honey Toons, and I am the sole entrepreneur for this project. I do everything from sketching the pieces to creating products to packing them, all with a lot of love. I studied fashion and design. I recently graduated as an MBA in luxury and fashion management, and with this new knowledge, I want to relaunch it in France. And the mission is still the same through thoughtful design and words of affirmation. Honey Toons also has another member, which is a plush, and this plush reminds me of my late dog Lampo, who inspired the brand. He is also a member of this team. This brand means the world to me. It's my way of expressing, it's my way of bringing comfort, kindness to the world. It's a memory of someone that still lives on in my heart. The USP of Honey Toons is easy to connect characters, 90s nostalgia, a lot of color, and words of affirmation. Because I believe the words have the power to change people's life.
I wanted to show you some of the products up close. I would want to relaunch with stickers and some accessories. Honey Toons also made a lot of handmade products, which were soaps and candles. This is like a prototype of the candle. It's a soy-based candle. The example of the 90s nostalgia that I was telling you about. These are some of our stickers, and I designed them on Canva, Procreate, Photoshop, Illustrator, and I print them on high quality paper on my printer. Also have a tiny Cricut machine to create stickers. My life is also full of a lot of cute characters that have brought so much joy in my life.
Even though it's just me, I hope Honey Toons feels like it was made for you. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.